coronavirus and many other viruses and physical disease and natural calamities will happen. That's a part of life on earth that will happen. But that's not our real problem. The real problem is not the problem. You're right. You heard it right. Let me tell you again. The real problem is not the problem. When you are traveling by air, the turbulences are part of the air travel. When you are traveling by the sea, the wind and waves are part of the sea travel. It's very obvious. So the problems are coming, problems are arising. Those are not real problem for us. Then you may have questioned, then what is a real problem? The real problem is Peter and disciples, when they were traveling with Jesus, when they saw Jesus walking on the water, immediately Peter says, Jesus, I want to walk like you. And Jesus says, Peter, come. And Peter started walking on the water. That's amazing. After Jesus, Peter is the only one person, human being, who walked on water so far in the history. And Peter walked on water. And while he was walking, the wind and waves were there. And that was a simple part of the sea life. The wind and waves were there. But that was not the problem for Peter at that time. While Peter was walking on the water, the wind and waves were the problem for the disciples who were sitting in the boat. But not for Peter, because Peter was walking on water, though there were wind and waves. What happened? That wasn't a problem for Peter? No, the wind and waves are not a real problem. Then what is a real problem? If problem is not problem for us, what is a real problem? When Peter was walking on water, after some time, when he saw wind and waves, then he started sinking. What happened? Just few minutes back, these wind and waves were not problem for Peter, but now the wind and waves have really become problem for Peter. He can't go, he can't walk, he is sinking. What happened actually? That's why I say the problem is not a real problem for us. The problem was for Peter to keep gazing on Jesus. He could not focus his attention, his faith on Jesus. The wind and waves became more heavy in his mind where Jesus was sitting. When Peter had faith in Jesus, he was focusing on Jesus, he was able to walk. And that's why the problem, wind and waves, were not problem for Peter. Why? Because he was focusing on Jesus. He had faith in Jesus and he was walking normally while the other disciples were struggling in the boat. But as soon as his attention, his faith, his focus was on the wind and waves, he started sinking. That's why, dear brothers and sisters, the real problem for us is not the problem, but our struggle, our problem is keep focusing on Jesus. That's the problem we have. We don't do that. When the time comes for turbulences, for wind and waves, we start focusing on those issues rather on Jesus. So let's keep focusing on Jesus. Our problem is not the wind and waves. Remember, our problem is how to keep focusing on Jesus, how to continue in faith on Jesus, how to trust Jesus on a daily basis, on every time. That's the problem of mankind. That's a problem of disciple. That's a problem of Peter. Continue focusing on Jesus. Continue having faith on Jesus. That's why, dear ones, while we are on this earth, the coronavirus and many other viruses and physical disease and natural calamities will happen. That's a part of life on earth that will happen. But that's not our real problem. Real problem is during this time of coronavirus or during time of these natural calamities, do we keep focusing on Jesus? Do I have faith continuing in Jesus? That Jesus is in control. He knows everything. He's having control over everything, over my life. That's a real issue. So dear ones, the problem will come and go, but those problems will only become problem when we have our faith diverted on wind and waves. When we have our focus turning from Jesus to wind and waves, then only the viruses, the natural calamities will become problem for us. Otherwise, those are not real problem.